Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will be addressing DTC U0199, specifically related to the 2023 Honda Accord. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, indicates a communication failure between the climate control unit and the power window master switch. Such failures can arise from either a disruption in the power or ground circuits of the master switch, or due to a failure in the communication network itself. This overview will guide you through understanding the components involved, their roles, and the necessary troubleshooting steps to rectify the issue. The climate control unit is responsible for regulating temperature and airflow within the vehicle, while the power window master switch controls all the power windows. Ensuring these components are communicating properly is crucial for optimal vehicle performance. DTC U0199 signifies a lost communication issue between the climate control unit and the power window master switch. The climate control unit is located in the driver's dashboard and is crucial for regulating the vehicle's climate settings. The power window master switch is typically located in the driver's door and controls all window operations. When the climate control unit cannot receive necessary data from the power window master switch, it identifies a malfunction and logs this DTC. Commonly, this might happen if the power ground circuit for the switch fails, preventing proper startup. Therefore, before embarking on extensive troubleshooting, it is advisable to check these circuits, as they could be the root of the issue leading to DTC U0199 being recorded. Several factors could lead to DTC U0199 being triggered. First, a failure in the power or ground circuit of the power window master switch is often the primary culprit. This failure can prevent the switch from sending necessary communication signals. Additionally, an overarching communication network failure may arise due to disconnected wires, faulty connectors, or issues within the multiplex wiring system used for data transmission in vehicles. Lastly, a malfunction within the climate control unit itself could also contribute to this DTC, blockading proper communication from taking place. Having a clear understanding of these possible causes is essential when initiating the diagnostic and repair process. The symptoms associated with DTC U0199 are typically noticeable and may include inoperable climate control functions within the vehicle. Drivers may find that they cannot adjust the temperature or airflow systems, leading to discomfort. Additionally, the power window functions might fail, preventing users from opening or closing windows from the master control switch. Moreover, the DTC indicator lights on the dashboard will illuminate, alerting the driver to the presence of an error code being stored. Recognizing these symptoms early can significantly reduce the time spent diagnosing this issue and help in implementing corrective measures effectively. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC U0199 begins with turning the vehicle ignition to the on position. This process energizes the vehicle's electrical systems, including the climate control unit and power window master switch. Once the vehicle is on, it is crucial to wait a minimum of 6 seconds. This waiting period allows all communication systems within the vehicle, including the Honda Data System, HDS, which monitors internal communications, to stabilize and initialize correctly. Failure to wait could result in incomplete data readings, leading to misdiagnosis of the issue at hand. Therefore, this step cannot be overlooked. The second step involves inspecting the power and ground circuits associated with the power window master switch. Start by checking for continuity and ensuring that there are no broken or corroded wires present in the circuit. This inspection should extend to identify any loose or faulty connections in the power window master switch's connectors. Problems in these areas can easily lead to a loss of communication with the climate control unit. It is vital to utilize a multimeter for testing voltage and ground availability in these circuits. If issues are found, they must be corrected, as they are likely the reason behind DTC U0199 being activated. Once repairs have been made based on the previous steps, final verification is essential to ensure that the issue has been resolved successfully. Begin by checking the functionality of both the climate control unit and the power window master switch. They should operate without any errors or delays. Subsequently, clear the DTC stored in the vehicle's computer using an appropriate scan tool. This action removes the error code from the system. After clearing the DTC, perform a retest by cycling the vehicle system to check if the DTC reappears. If everything operates normally and the DTC does not reappear, the repair has been successfully verified. Engaging in preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the occurrence of DTC U0199 in the future. Regularly inspecting the power and ground circuits connected to the power window master switch is crucial. Look out for any signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion that could compromise electrical integrity. Additionally, ensuring that the connectors and switches are kept clean and free from foreign debris will aid in maintaining optimal communication between components. By adopting these practices, the chances of losing communication between the climate control unit and the power window master switch will decrease, ensuring that both systems function effectively over time. In conclusion, addressing DTC U0199 requires a methodical approach, starting from understanding the components involved, such as the climate control unit and power window master switch. By following the established troubleshooting steps, checking power circuits, inspecting connections, and confirming system functionality, technicians can effectively resolve the issue. It is also important to perform final verifications post-repair to ensure a successful resolution. Implementing preventive maintenance practices will further safeguard against future DTC occurrences, maintaining the reliability and performance of the vehicle's systems. Ultimately, thorough diagnostics and preventive care work hand in hand to keep your Honda Accord in peak operating condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.